In this video, I'll go over how to fix your Facebook account being restricted from advertising. So first, you want to go and review the restriction notice. Log into your Facebook account and go to account quality. Check the reason your ad account or page was restricted. Then make a note of any specific policy violations that are mentioned. Next, correct any policy violation. So remove or edit any ads or posts that violate Facebook's advertising policies. Make sure your landing pages and content comply with Facebook's guidelines. Next, go and request a review. So in account quality, find the restricted ad account or page and tap request review and follow the prompts. Go and provide a clear, concise explanation if you believe the restriction was a mistake. Next, check your payment methods. So go to payment settings in Ads Manager and ensure your credit card or payment method is valid and up to date. Remove any payment methods that may have caused flags. Next, what you can do is verify your identity. So Facebook may ask for ID verification to restore ad privileges. Follow the instructions to upload a valid ID or business documents. Now also avoid repeated violations. So review Facebook ads policies carefully and avoid using restricted content, sensational claims or prohibited products in future ads. And finally, what you can also do is contact Facebook support. So if the restriction persists, use Facebook Business Help Center to chat or email a representative. Provide all relevant details and screenshots to speed up the review process. So that's what you can do to fix your Facebook account being restricted from advertising. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.